The Cleveland Cavaliers sent me a pair of Adidas Sambas to customize for their head coach, Kenny Atkinson. And today, I'm taking you behind the scenes of how they were created from my art studio to the court. So this actually isn't my first project with the Cavs. Last year, they hit me up for Sneakers and Spirits Night to design 3 pairs to give away to fans for a sweepstakes with Hennessy. And I also created a player-exclusive pair for Donovan Mitchell to wear on court. Unfortunately, Donovan was injured and never got the chance to wear them in-game. But this year, the Cavs came back with a new project. Something special for their head coach, Kenny Atkinson. They wanted something clean, wearable, but still uniquely Cavs. So I started with a pair of white Adidas Sambas because Coach Atkinson loves his Sambas, and I built the design from there. I of course wanted this pair to feel like more than just Cavs colors thrown onto a shoe. It had to be sharp, thoughtful, and still wearable. First, I started by cutting out the vinyl stencils of the Cleveland Cavaliers word mark. Placing them on the heels took a steady hand. They had to line up perfectly because this text would be the focal point from the back angle. Then I fired up the airbrush. I used white paint over the stencils because I knew it would pop cleanly against the black collar without overpowering the rest of the shoe. With a design like this, it's all about balance. Next up was the eye stay panels. I hit those with a rich gold. This part was about adding energy, something that catches your eye when you lace them up. Then I moved down to the toe to paint the suede in Cavaliers wine. It's a color that just feels classic. That deep tone with the gold really brought the whole shoe together. For the collar and 3 stripes, I wanted to add a luxe feel, so I hand painted a marble texture in white. It was a nod to the sophistication of the Cavaliers' new era that elevates the whole design. In the end, this pair came together exactly how I envisioned it. Simple, elevated, and made to represent the Cavs with pride. A perfect fit for the Cavaliers head coach. Huge thank you to the Cleveland Cavaliers for bringing me out to the game so I could see Kenny wearing them on court with my very own eyes. That moment was absolutely surreal. I heard Kenny loved them, and I'm absolutely honored to have been the one to create them for him as a lifelong Cavs fan. So will the Cavs and I have a third project in the future? Guess you're gonna have to subscribe to find out. And let me know in the comments, which team should I customize for next?